Discover the mystical cloud season in Sapa. Sapa, a gem in northern Vietnam, is magical during the cloud season from September to March. This period transforms the landscape into a dreamy canvas with fluffy white clouds drifting over its mountains and valleys. One natural beauty. Experience breathtaking views at Hang Da, Hau Chu Gai Village, Fansipan Peak, Silver Falls, and Heaven's Gate, where clouds embrace the majestic mountains.